My landlord has opened my Instagram 67 times this month. He has never liked a single post. He has never left one comment. And the night I found out why, I got up and checked every lock in my apartment. I have rented from him for 2 years, and honestly, he seemed great. He would text before any repair. "Plumber's coming Thursday, no charge." He called me kiddo. I thought I had won the landlord lottery. A few months ago, we had one tense back and forth about my security deposit, but it cooled off. Then I tried one of those tools that shows who actually opens your profile the most. I figured it would be my mom or my best friend. Instead, the top spot was an account with no photo, no posts, a name I did not know. I opened it. The bio listed his rental company. It was him, and it was not close. My mom had checked my profile 12 times, my best friend, 9. Him, 67. He had been studying my life more than the 2 people closest to me combined. But here's the strange part. In all of those visits, not one like, not one comment, not a single word in months. Just open, look, close. Like he was taking notes. So I checked when he was doing it. Almost every visit landed deep in the night, a little after 1 in the morning. The hours when he assumed nobody would ever be watching him back. And the days he looked the most were not random. He spiked every time I posted a friend staying over. Every trip, every new piece of furniture in the background. He was not curious about me. He was building a file. A guest became an extra tenant. A vacation became, she can pay more. He was turning my own photos into a reason to push me out of my home. So I had 2 friends run the same scan. Both of them had one too. A silent account, watching everything, saying nothing. Different people, the exact same pattern. The quiet ones, always saving, never reacting. Here is what nobody warns you about. The most dangerous person watching you is not the one fighting in your comments. It is the one who watches in total silence and keeps everything for later. I only know because something finally showed me who was really there. Check the link in the description.